Hello my friend, welcome to my channel Study with Sam. Today's topic is vector algebra. This is the class 12 CBSE board chapter 10. Let we start. First of all, we are discuss about the definition. What was that? Definition. A quantity that has the magnitude and the direction which it is known as the vector quantity. The magnitude and the direction. What about the magnitude? Magnitude is the number, just like a 22, 2, 3, 4. That is the magnitude. What is the direction? Direction means just like a northeast direction, north, south, east, west. Just like direction that have magnitude and the direction. That's mean the magnitude means the 23, 24, 25. Just like a 1, 2, 3, the numbers are the magnitude, and the direction, which means the which type of the direction is the east, as the north, and the south, as the west. How to denote it by the vector? Just like a AB is the vector denoted by AB, just like arrow. A and B just like arrow. What about the initial point and the terminal point? That initial point is the A and the terminal point is the B. When the vector is go to A to B, just like A to B, A is the initial point and B is the terminating point, which means B is the final point, So just like that, the example is that just 2 I cap, 3 J cap, 5 K cap. You know that magnitude, which means 2, 3, 5 is the magnitude, and the direction, which means I, J, K. In the I direction and J direction and the K direction, which means in the X and Y and Z direction. So we are going to the next point, that is type of vector. First of all, first type is that zero vector. You know that the zero vector, which means the every magnitude is zero. That is zero vector, just like a null vector. Definition is that a vector whose initial and terminating point coincide is called the zero vector. Point A and the terminating point also A. That is zero vector. That is zero vector, which means these are the zero vectors A and A, just like initial point and terminating point in A just like A. That is zero vector. So next type of a vector is that unit vector. Unit means one. A vector whose magnitude is the unity, that is one unit, is called a unit vector. The unit vector in the direction of a given vector A is denoted by a cap. Initial vector. Two or more vector having the same initial point are called the co-initial vector. Two or more vector having the same initial point are called the, which means initial vector, just like that. Two or more vector having the same initial point, just like an initial point. This is vector, same initial point. Initial point is same. So this is just like A vector and the B vector. A vector and B vector have a co-initial vector. Next, collinear vector. What is the definition of the collinear vector? Two or more vector are the said to be collinear if they are parallel to the same line. They are parallel to the same line irrespective of their magnitude and direction. That is collinear vector. The parallel हो जाए, which means two lines are the parallel, two vectors are the parallel, that and irrespective of their magnitudes and the direction, these called the collinear vector. Equal vector, which means the equal vector equal direction and equal magnitude is called the equal vector. Let me know about the definition. Is that two vector A and B are said to be equal if they have the same magnitude and the direction regardless of the position of their initial point, and written as A vector equal to B vector, which means a vector and this like a B vector, this the direction have a same, and the direction A vector are the same and the B vector are the same, and the magnitude of the A and the B vector also same. Next definition is that negative of a vector, which means negative vector, just like a vector whose magnitude is the same as that of the given vector, says AB, but direction is the opposite to that of its. It is called the negative of the given vector, which means AB vector are the given. Negative vector is that minus AB, that is negative vector of B.